friends, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Regina. I just want to say you all showed up for me in my most recent video prior to this one. I was surprised at the comments, the feedback, the views, the likes that I received off that video, and it was nice to know that I'm not the only one who claims a twist out to be a protective style. And you know, it's really nice to know that wherever you are, however late at night, after the house is quiet, after you've done all those things that you need to do to get ready for the evening, you're in your bathroom twisting your hair. Somewhere there's another sister in this twist out sisterhood that is twisting her hair too. It just might be me. So I just appreciate you all so much. So in the last video, I talked about how I use twist outs as my protective style, and my hair has really benefited from them when I do them, particularly back to back. I'm going to talk a little less and show you a little more and let you see exactly how I install my twists and my technique. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and get into this protective style twist out. My hair is shampooed and conditioned, and I'm about to style my twist out for the week. Now, I like to start by sectioning off my hair to set it in the way that I want it to fall, and I detangle as I section. My hair starts to get dry pretty quick, so I keep a water bottle handy. I found that my sets are more defined and last longer when I style on damp to wet hair. I'm only using 2 products, and I'm styling with what I already have in my little stash. Don't think that you have to go out and buy the latest and greatest or the most expensive products for your hair. I'm using a leave-on milk from the Pantene Gold series and pairing that with the Texture ID Curls Styling Custard. This is one of my favorite custards. You might have noticed that I use my fingers to do my parts. You know, it just depends on my mood. I use my fingers. Sometimes I use a comb. My hair is finer in the back. My hair is fine, first of all. It might look deceptively full, but my hair is finer and thinner in the back. So using my fingers just ensures that none of those parts are showing. And, you know, I can just kind of rub them out pretty easy. But back to the products, I have a few product combinations that I really like, but today I happen to be using these 2, the Pantene and the Texture ID Curls. I like to use up what I have before running out to purchase more, because after all, when we were growing up, if your household was like my household and your mother was like my mother, we had probably 2 shampoos and 1 conditioner for the whole entire family to use. There wasn't no stash. There was no stash, right? Now, when I'm installing my twists, I'm super conscious about my hair in the back, as I mentioned. So you'll see my part will never be straight down the middle. It's always off to the side just a little bit. But that's just me. I don't want to put any extra tension on my hair back there because it's fine hair, so it's already kind of fragile. And ladies, let me tell you, your twists don't have to be perfect. And I'm doing what's called flat twists, because when you unravel them, the curls are going to fall into formation and do what they do. So again, it's okay to skip the comb when you're doing your parting if you'd like to, and you may not be used to it. You can also use, instead of using like a rat tail comb to do your parts, you could use a wide tooth comb. And that may just kind of help not let the parts be so visible. So my twist outs turn out best when I sit under a hooded dryer or bonnet dryer, whichever one they call it. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you can certainly air dry, but believe me, it will take a lot longer. And if you have errands to run and don't want to go out with your hair in twists, you can cover it with a cap or beanie or something. But whatever you do, make sure it's some type of protection that has like silk or satin on the inside of it. But yeah, I
when I twist my hair, I never just let it air dry. It takes too long. So you'll see up ahead once my hair is fully dry. And by the way, I sat under the dryer for like 2 hours. It was just a great me day. And it was cold in the house, and I took the time of letting that nice warm heat just surround my shoulders and dry my hair at the same time. But anyway, once my hair is dry, you'll see me unravel the twists, but I don't fluff them out because that's more manipulation, which is, could lead to your style not lasting as long as you want it to. And we're going for at least a week here. This is a protective style. So just keep that in mind. The most I do to my hair on wash day is style it. Throughout the rest of the week, all I do is maintain it at night, which is a very low maintenance routine. I pull my hair up into a pineapple, that's what we call it in the natural hair community. Secure it with the scrunchie, satin or silk scrunchie, and then put my bonnet on. It doesn't get any easier than that.
Well, that was simple enough, right? Like I said, I know we talked about the twist outs, but I wanted you to actually see my technique, just how I do it, what products I use. For me, it's just been the best thing. I fell in love with twist outs the very first time I did one, and I have not looked back. So if you have a similar technique, or if you use similar products, let me know. And also too, if you would like for me to try a combination of products, let me know. I'll be willing to do it. I appreciate you so much for watching, and again, thank you for all the engagement on the last video. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.